watch out. Now watch out, watch out. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. We got another video for you guys. So first, go ahead, like the video, comment after the video, but make sure you subscribe, guys. We really appreciate it. Subscribe. Now let's get back to this video. So this video is gonna be about the ceiling fan that we installed the last time. I had a comment talking about the way we installed the ceiling fan was a little wrong. And I appreciate that. I appreciate comments. I thank the person for commenting on it. I also thank the other person that commented, basically saying that it was helpful for them in their install. We appreciate it. And so back to what it was. The problem that the person commented and said that you're not supposed to mount a ceiling fan directly to a wire receptacle box in the ceiling. So what I did, guys, I went and found this product right here. This product right here is called the Easy Brace 101. And it's supposed to just be a mounting bracket box, but it's supposed to actually drill into the actual stud. So we shouldn't have a issue with the ceiling fan falling or anything, because this the actual package says it's able to support, I think, about 150 pounds or something like that. Oh, there it goes right there, 150 pounds, if you can see it. Tested to support 150 pounds. So guys, we're gonna get into the unboxing, let you guys see everything that's in it, and we'll be right back, guys. Bam, bam. We back just that quick, guys. So y'all, I'm on my workbench. I'm on the bed workbench, y'all. Don't talk about me. How y'all doing today? So we just gonna open up this product. I believe this is the actual bracket here. Not sure what these two things are. These are the actual screws that's gonna go into the bottom of the bracket, and that's actually gonna drill right into the studs, the wooden studs. So we shouldn't have an issue as far as weight capacity or anything. And these are just the regular mounting bolts. And they also gave you an actual bit that you're able to drive in the screws with. So that's also a plus. I think this product was only like $25, and if I remember to include the link will be down in the description. So yes, here we go. It's the Easy Brace 101 bracket. There you go. Support systems for ceiling fans and light fixtures. All right, guys, that's basically everything that comes with it. I'm not sure what these square things are. It says an easy spacer. I'm not sure what an easy spacer is or what it's used for. But if I find out, I'll let you guys know. So y'all stay tuned. The next part of the video, just gonna basically removing the ceiling fan and installing the bracket. Stay tuned. We'll be right back, guys. Bam! Guys, one thing I forgot to tell you guys was make sure you turn off the power before you start taking down your ceiling fan. Make sure you turn off the power from the actual breaker, and also turn your light switch to the off position. Guys, listen, I'm back, but after looking at this box, I don't think that bracket is gonna work in my case. But I figured out what I can do, and I think I would have been all right, because this is a metal box here. But I think I'm gonna be all right, because looking up in here, all right guys, so if you look up in there and you see those two holes right there, that's wood. So that's actually my studs running right there. So I'm just gonna drill my bracket straight up into those holes, and that'll put me straight into the stud. So I'm not even gonna use that bracket. I'm gonna use the actual bracket that came with the actual ceiling fan, and we should be good to go. I know I wanted to do a review on that Easy Brace 101 bracket, but guys, you know, sometimes it pays to pay attention to details and pay attention to things before you just go and spend the money. Don't worry about that. Hey, y'all don't have to clean it up, I do. So guys, this Easy Brace bracket may have worked in a different scenario, and I may still be able to use it and may still do a review on it. But for the time being, guys, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna work around this brace and don't even use it. Just use the screws that came with it. So I'm gonna be right back and I'll show you guys what I'm thinking about. All right, guys, so like I said previously, those holes that I have here, I'm looking at the studs right now. So I don't think mountain wise and weight wise that I will even have an issue if I do it this way. I know my video is all over the place because I expected to actually do a review on that brace, but I don't even think I need the brace at this moment. So guys, this is what I'm thinking I'm just gonna do. I'm gonna just take the actual bracket that came with the ceiling fan and these two long screws that came with that mountain bracket, and we're gonna make something work out of nothing. All right, that's one. I might have should have used the other hole. I should have. It's all right, y'all. It's all right. Let's use the next hole. We was in the middle. Let's go to this one now. All right, guys, let's try this one more time. We're there. And we're gonna do this one. I gotta switch bits, y'all. It's a different size. All right, we're gonna do this one in the next hole. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, but there goes the hole there where actually the stud is. And I'm gonna just drill into it. Let me run my wires through before it's too late. Y'all, I might fast forward through some of this stuff. So if you hear me sound like a little rat, fast forward through it. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, here we go. We don't need that bit anymore. Let's do this one. Y'all, y'all. Hey, ceiling fan ain't going nowhere, y'all. Ceiling fan ain't going nowhere, y'all. I can hang from it. Well, I over-exaggerate. I'm not gonna tell you how much I weigh, but I cannot hang from that. Well, I might could. You never know. But guys, that basically my solution for it. I'm gonna just come back and show you the ceiling fan on it. I'm not gonna go into details of how to remove a ceiling fan, how to install a ceiling fan. If that's what you're looking for, check out my last video on my ceiling fan install video, the Mainstays 42-inch ceiling fan. So guys, I'll be right back with the final product. Bam! All right, guys, I got everything back installed. I got the fan put back up. And it's sturdy. Man, it's sturdy. It is very sturdy. But I just want to say I thank you guys for watching the video. I know it didn't go as planned with us using this Easy Brace 101 bracket. I wanted to review this product and I wanted to show you guys how to install this product. But you know what? In life, some things don't always go as you plan. You just have to adjust and always be ready to, you know, adjust your situation, adjust your life to things that may come up. So guys, that just show you that, you know, just because things come up don't mean your plans got to stop. You just got to adjust them. So I thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and y'all be blessed. We out.